Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about if-else statement in C. If-else statement is basically used to execute the code based on the condition either true or false. In simple if statement, we specify what to do if the condition is true. We say if the condition is true, then execute this code, but we didn't specify what to do if the condition become false. But in case of if-else statement, we have the condition. If the condition is true, then we execute the code inside these brackets. If the condition become false, then it's gonna execute the code written inside this else block. Now we do an example program. In this program, we are gonna tell the user to enter a number, and we are gonna print if the number is odd or even. Here in this example program, first we have the main method, and inside this main method we have declared one integer variable x, and we have printed please enter a number and stored the user input inside this x variable using the scanf function. And here we have the if else block, and first we gonna give the condition x module 2 if equal 0. If the condition is true, that is modulo division operator that is used to find the remainder after an integer division. If the remainder is 0, then we are gonna print the number is even. If the condition become false, if the remainder is not 0, then we are gonna execute the code. We are gonna print the number is odd. And if we compile and run this program, first it says please enter a number. If I enter 10 and press enter, it displays the number is even. First we have inputted the number that has been stored inside this x variable. Then the condition is if the remainder is 0, then it's gonna execute the code written inside this block. In this case the remainder is 0, so the condition is true, so it executed the code and printed the number is even. Let's run this program once again and use another number. This time let's use 11 and press enter. It says the number is odd. That's because the condition is false this time. The remainder is not 0, so it's executed the code written inside the else block and printed that the number is odd. Hope you understand the concept. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to comment down below.